Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is what is Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme at Vigyan Bhawan in New Delhi. And as per the Prime Minister's office, RAMP scheme has an outlay of around rupees 6,000 crores. Let me tell you that Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme is collectively known as RAMP scheme. Along with the Raising and Accelerating scheme, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated the capacity building of first-time MSME exporters scheme and the new features of Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. On this occasion, Prime Minister digitally transferred the assistance to the beneficiaries of Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program for the year 2022 and 23. Now we will understand what is this RAMP scheme all about. The RAMP scheme aims to scale up the capacity and the coverage of the medium, small and micro enterprises, that is MSMEs in the state, and impact on the enhancement of existing MSME schemes. Now we will understand what is the significance of this scheme. This scheme will complement the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan by fostering innovation, incubating new business and entrepreneurship by developing quality standards, improving practices and processes, deploying technological tools, enhancing market accesses and Industry 4.0 to MSME competitive and self-reliant. So this is all about the topic. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.